Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. In this video, we're going to take a look at Koch Chemie's fine cut and micro cut polishes. Let's do it. So about a month ago, Koch Chemie contacted me on Instagram, I believe, and asked me if they could send me something because they were excited that they're going to be doing a USA launch and they wanted to invite me to it. So I was like, okay, cool. So they sent me this really awesome box. And you guys have probably seen that video by now. I'm not sure. If not, you will see that in a future video because I don't want to give it away. But they sent me a bunch of products in the box, and pads and towels and stickers and all kinds of hat, a really nice pen, a really cool box with a video in it, which is really neat. But I wasn't planning on making this video today because I was gonna just kick back, relax. I had the camera rolling because I wanted to make an overall detailing video of this truck, but not a specific product review video per se. So it says a sponsor video because they sent these to me, but I didn't get paid for this sponsorship for this video, you guys. But the fine cut is what I've used so far, and this stuff is fantastic. I cannot say enough good things about this. It cuts awesome. It wipes off easy. Now I did notice that if I use my pad for too long without cleaning it, I get a little bit of dusting, but what I'm doing now is I'm basically cleaning it every other pass and sometimes every pass, and I'm not getting any dusting at all. Dusting doesn't bother me if the product's working great. This is working absolutely fantastic. So even if I get a little bit of dusting, it's no big deal. Just blow it off with my blowgun. It's not that big of a deal. But they sent me these two products, but they also sent me their pads. And what's cool, you guys notice these are color coded, right? So the yellow pad is going to go with the yellow polish. Now I've already got the pad on my polisher. They're different, you guys. See this like cutout here? I'm not sure what that's all about, but the back of the pad is yellow. And I'll get the micro cut out. Back of the pad is purple. So if you have both pads on your cart, you're like, oh crap, which one was which? Turn it around. There's your purple, you got your yellow. That is very cool. These are 5-inch pads that they sent. Fit my Boss machine great, or my Boss machine. I'm using the Griot's G9. Fits great, works great. Now real quick, a note, I did speak to Andrew from Koch Chemie yesterday, told him I was gonna be using the products, and he told me the fine cut is actually more of a medium cut, and I can agree with that because it's cutting pretty good. There's a lot of defects on this truck. I'm not going for perfection. What I'm going for is better. I'm not trying to cut real deep in this truck because it sits out in the sun all day, every day. I don't wanna get rid of all the UV protection that's in the clear coat because all the UV protection is at the top of the clear coat. I just wanna cut a little bit and make it look better, and it is doing an absolutely amazing job. Wait till you guys see. And then the micro cut is probably more like a finishing cut. The bottles are different for sure. I don't know exactly what these mean yet, you guys, until I go to the event. But they have all these numbers on here that tell you like the pH level and all kinds of other things. But I love the bottles. I love the way that they color code everything. That is very, very cool. The majority of this video is going to be a voiceover because I was not planning on making this video. So I've already done a lot of the truck. So we'll just do a voiceover on this one, you guys, and we'll take a look at these products and we'll see what they do, but you guys are gonna be impressed. So I know this is not part of the Koch Chemie video, but I want to show you guys this oxidation. I'll be using Malco's SAP, which stands for Surface and Paint Clarifier. I know this is something most of you guys cannot get, but for the professionals that might be watching this, it's great at removing oxidation. And the reason I said that most of you can't get it is because you have to get it through a Malco rep, which comes to like your shop, your body shop, your detail shop, whatever. But this stuff gets rid of that first step of oxidation removal that normally ends up in your polishing pad. And I'm gonna show you when I removed that 50/50 tape, the difference it made. I don't know if you noticed the panel a minute ago, it was really cloudy. Now it's nice and clear. Obviously it's still gonna have defects in it, but wait until you see this 50/50. I love this stuff for removing oxidation. It really saves me a bunch of time in the polishing process. So as you can see right there, it cuts right through oxidation, no problem at all, very minimal effort. It's a fantastic product for oxidation, sap removal, and many other things if you have paint transfer, anything on your paint. All right, let's move on to using the Koch Chemie products. All right, so we're gonna start with the F6 fine cut. It's the more aggressive of the two, so obviously we'll start with that first. As you can see, the swirl marks on both sides. The oxidation is gone, as you guys saw just a few minutes ago. So we're just gonna work on those swirls and the heavier imperfections with this product. When I first try a brand new product out, I like to see
as I'm spreading, if I can see the abrasives, which you can in this product. And another thing I really like about it, both these products, plenty of polishing oils, lubrication, so you have plenty of work-in time as you're working the product into the panel, into the paint, trying to remove those imperfections. It's not going to dry out on you. It's not going to start slinging dust everywhere. As you notice, there's literally no dusting with this as long as you keep the pads clean when you're using it. Yes, my hand speeds are fast. People tell me all the time. As long as I get the correction that I'm looking for, it really doesn't matter to me. There's no right or wrong way when it comes to hand speed, in my opinion, as long as you're getting good results. As you can see, the wipe off is effortless. It is so simple, and I was kind of taken aback by these products, you guys, to be honest with you. I was not expecting to be blown away by them because I'd really never heard of the company before other than a few videos here and there. As I used them, though, I absolutely fell in love with both products. And as expected with the fine cut, it's not going to pick up every single thing, but it probably picked up 90 to 95% of the imperfections. I mean, look at the difference right there. Just from a few quick passes. You have a few stragglers left behind, but that's what the microcut's for, the finishing polish, to follow it up and get the rest of the stragglers. This was probably one of the worst panels on the truck right here. This is the left rear of the truck bed. Lots of swirls. The camera's not doing it justice. It just looked way worse in person. A lot of heavy scratches that I can't get rid of. But as you guys are going to see here in just a minute, it actually removed a lot of them that I didn't think it would. I probably could have went with the more aggressive cut. I don't remember the name of it. It's the red bottle. But I decided that I wasn't going to be real aggressive on this truck because of it sitting in the sun all the time, its entire life. And I did not want to remove more clear coat than I absolutely had to for the UV protection. So what I was able to get at with this and the micro cut, I was very happy with. So in this part of the video, I'm going to show you guys what the F6 can do with a 3-inch polisher and a 3-inch microfiber cutting pad. I did not get sent a 3-inch pad for the F6, so I used my Griot's Garage Boss 3-inch microfiber pad, and it works great, as you guys will see in the results here in just a second. So what you're going to notice here in just a second is the F6 did a fantastic job with the 3-inch polisher. It picked up probably 90% of the defects on the panel. It left behind just a few minor imperfections, which you'll see like right there. But that's kind of expected on a cut like that. And that is why you have a finishing polish to go back and get those minor imperfections. And that's the part of the video that's coming up next. I'm not going to show you a bunch of the micro cut, just this part right here. So as you can see, both products wipe off extremely easy, very effortless. Now the micro cut does have more polishing oils, it appears, and you do have to really pay attention as you're wiping off to make sure you get all of the polish. Look at that gloss. Look at that three-way light. The gloss is amazing with these two products combined. The purpose of the microcut is to pick up the stragglers left behind after using the fine cut, which is a more aggressive cut, and that's the purpose of a finishing polish, is to pick up the stragglers. So as you see here, and to refine the paint, as you see here, as I move over, sorry about the shaky camera work, as I move over, right there, there's the minor imperfections I was after, because I have not gone there, and it picked them up absolutely perfect, and the panels look awesome. All right, you guys, so here's what the car looks like outside after using both products.
All right, you guys, so I am almost speechless with what this Koch Chemie did to this truck. From the way this truck started to the way it looks now is just, it is amazing. I'm kind of almost speechless because it's almost like it can't even be true because it looks so good. The gloss is just off the charts. I wish I had a gloss meter. This hood has hail damage all over it, but check that gloss out. Look at that tree. Wait till you guys see the side of this thing. The sun's over here on this side. It's kind of an overcast day, but the sun's still out. Look at that. I mean, that is just fire right there. My dad's gonna flip when he sees this truck. Let me show you this. I'm hoping that the camera's showing the metallic in the paint. I can't see my screen. I still got to put some tire shine on. I got to clean all the glass up. But right now we're just checking out the outside of the Koch Chemie. I mean, it doesn't even look like the same truck. It's kind of amazing. Get a shot of Old Glory here in a minute. Reflection shot of Old Glory off of here. Right there. Yeah, she looking good. Nothing but Mopars in my driveway right now, guys. 2 Rams, a Jeep, and a Dodge Journey. I'm like I said, guys, I'm almost speechless. This just looks absolutely amazing. I'm blown away by this. Alright, that'll do it for this video. We'll end it with some final thoughts.
What you guys just saw right there is a 15-year-old previous farm truck that sits outside every day of its life, has hail damage on the hood. I don't know if you noticed that in that last clip. Has hail damage on the hood. It's got on the roof. It's got scratches all over it because it was an old farm truck. My dad bought this, I want to say about 5 years ago. And I detailed it once, but I didn't cut. All I did was I basically washed it and just gave it a good wax. And this time, when I decided to cut, I am so glad that I used these 2 products because I am in love with these now. Both of these products are fantastic. This is easy on. Obviously, it's easy on, but any product's pretty much easy on. It's easy on, easy off, as everybody always says. Easy on, easy off. Wipe off is extremely easy with this. Wipe off is really easy with the micro cut. But what I noticed as I'd wipe it off, I'd go to the next panel, I'd look back, and I missed a couple spots. And I didn't have a problem missing spots with this, so not a big deal. That's not a bad thing, but I figured I'd put that out there because this has a lot of polishing oils in it because you can see it as you're working the product on the panel, and that's what you want. You want a lot of polishing oils so you can work the product onto the panel for a long period of time to get the best result you can get. And this stuff really, really refined the surface and brought that gloss and the metallic out like crazy, you guys. I know I didn't show a lot of this because it's basically doing the same thing as this as far as how you apply it and everything, but this stuff is awesome as well. Now, I will mention really quick, I love these pads. These pads are awesome. I'm definitely going to be buying more of these pads from Koch Chemie. I don't even know what they cost. I don't even know what those cost. I'll put links down in the description of the video where you guys can find these and you can buy these products if you so choose to. But what I did notice is I got a little bit of dusting. I think I mentioned it earlier, and I want to make sure I'm clear on this because people hear dusting and they immediately get turned off. The dusting wasn't the product's fault. The dusting was basically my fault, and I was using brand new pads because brand new pads a lot of times will dust. Now, as I went from like the hood, I work clockwise. As I went from the hood all the way down the side, when I got to the back, I started getting quite a bit of dusting. And even though I was blowing it out with my air compressor and I was using my nylon brush, I only had 1 pad to work with. And normally I like to use multiple on a detail because then you don't have to worry about cleaning it in between and everything like that. So as I got more and more dusting, I took it inside and I washed the pad, the yellow pad, which one? This one, the yellow pad, with this new Dawn Power Wash. I saw this on Wax Mode's channel, and I'll tell you what, this stuff cleans pads like crazy. It's foamy. As soon as you spray it on there, it's foamy, cleans awesome. Cleaned the pad, came out, put it on my polisher, turned it on, let it spin all the water out, and then I blew out the air compressor, and then I was able to do almost the entire rest of the truck before I started getting dusting again. So the problem was I didn't have multiple pads. I only had one pad. It's the only reason I had dusting. So I didn't want to turn you guys off because of that. But I am blown away, geeked out, whatever you want to call it. I think these are my favorite polishes now. I cannot wait to try their other products. I have their heavy cut, and I have their micro cut and finish, which is basically an all-in-one. I can't wait to try those, and then I'm gonna be buying more Koch Chemie stuff because I'm so excited about it, you guys. This stuff is awesome. Thank you, Koch Chemie, for sending these to me. I really appreciate that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because it really transformed this truck into just almost looking new, other than the few imperfections that it has all around the truck from it being a 15-year-old truck, you guys. The end result is absolutely amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, join the Fab family. We'd love to have you, and we'll see you in the next video.